If we look at the history, before God gave us the Torah, so we're taught that He offered it to other nations. And what was the dialogue between those nations and Hashem? Really, it's the spiritual source of each of the nations that Hashem was speaking to, but it represented the nation as a whole. So each nation asked, what is in the Torah? And when it heard that it was something in the Torah that they had a difficulty doing, they said, we can't take it. Now, the obvious question can be asked, so what? What's the big problem? So you won't do that thing. You'll take the Torah, you'll learn it, and you'll do the other things, and that one thing you can't do, you won't do. So we see from here that because they couldn't do it, or they were unwilling to do it, that meant they couldn't take the Torah. Now, that same idea applies to the Jewish people. When we said, Na'aseh v'nishma, what we were saying was, we will fulfill the Torah, we will do it, and therefore we deserve to have it. The whole idea of learning is really in order so we should understand how to fulfill. You unfortunately do find in universities where people can spend many, many years studying subjects, but those subjects remain separate from them. They can learn about morality, they can learn about different ideas, and they stay the same person. There's a famous story with one of the philosophers where they caught him really misbehaving, and they asked him, how could you act like this when you teach about morality? He says, no, when I'm speaking about morality, then I'm the moral teacher, but when I'm myself, so I act the way I act. And we see from there that there's an idea of just having wisdom, but that wisdom remaining above and not channeling down through the body and not being expressed through action. And that is the opposite of what our Torah teaches us. Our Torah says that you want to learn, so it's only if you're going to fulfill. And under those conditions, we received the Torah. We said, Na'aseh v'nishma, we will do, and we will, of course, then be blessed with all of the ability to understand and learn and teach. And that is what our Torah and what our life in this world is about. It's about making this world a different place, a better place, through acting out the beautiful ideas that we're able to learn through Torah.